Firstly, a very good evening, guys. That is just because I have got a good hike. Okay. So this is actually the happiest moment for today. Okay. At the same time, I got some more responsibilities. Okay. Okay. Let us quickly get started today, guys. Thank you very much, guys. So our topic for today is views and view rules. Before we go and discuss about those views and view rules, we'll just recap what we had done in our last session. Well, here guys, we have created a table in the ServiceNow database. Okay. So just go to the personal developer instance, navigate to the tables. In the system definition, you will find a module called tables. This database, see sys underscore DB underscore DB means database. In this database, we have created a table called incident table. Hmm? It started with U underscore. The name started with U underscore. U underscore means it's a developer created table, which is not coming from ServiceNow directly. We created these many fields, we designed the form. We can design the form using form designer, form builder, form designer, or form layout. Okay. So just use form design here. It is recommending you to use form builder. Try configuring your forms with the form builder instead of this one, this form design. So here we created a number field. Then we created reference type of fields. We created choice type of fields. We created list type of fields. We created date type of fields, string type of fields. We created and we designed the form. So in the form, we wanted to show short description and description in a single column. And then what I did, I created a separate section without name. Separate section without name. So that these two fields will be shown in a single column in this page. Okay. Then we created a section called note section. In the note section, we created two list type of fields, work notes list and watch list. And here I have created a separate section without name. That is actually activities filtered. And if you scroll down, I have created another section with a section name called related records. And these all are reference type of fields. I have created incident field, problem field, change request field, requested item field. Okay. Then I created a resolution information section. I created a system information section. Okay. And here what we need to understand here is, let me just go to the form. This is table label, table name. Field label, field name. Choice label, choice name. The left side ones are labels. These are names. Okay. See, these labels are for employees purpose. Always remember, these names are for ServiceNow developers. Likewise, these section labels are different, section names are different. Getting my point? So how the section names follows is what we will understand now. So here, how many sections are there? There are 4 sections, right? Notes is a section. Related records is a section. Resolution information is a section. System information is a section. It's 4 sections. These are labels. Names will be always small letters. Capital N will become small letters here. Okay. Names will become small letters. The section name is notes here. Well, when it comes to the related records, here capital R becomes small r here. Related. There is a space, right? The space will be replaced with the underscore. Okay. Now you tell me here, what will be the section name for resolution information? Capital R will become small r. Okay. System information. Is this correct, guys? Capital I should become small I. Okay. Capital letters will become small letter. Spaces will be replaced with underscore. And there is one magic here. That magic points only you have to learn. Okay. So I have root cause analysis. So there are 2 words. Here we have 3 words here. Capital R will become smaller. Root. Space will be replaced with underscore. Only first space will be replaced with underscore. Next spaces will be removed. See, this is the first space. This is replaced with underscore. Next space will be removed. Get my point? That is how the section names follows. Suppose if I want to hide this section using script, I have to use the names. Suppose if I have to hide this field using script, I have to use this field name. Suppose if I have to hide this choice using script, I have to use choice values. Getting my point? Script and all will discuss separately. But my point of view here is we will use names as a developer. Hmm? Okay. Point is clear, right? So how are you getting these technical names on the form? Many of you guys might have this question, but you are not actually asking this question. You are willing to ask this question in the end. I know that. How am I able to see these technical names on the form? You have to go to the browser, type send utils Chrome. You can also get this for uh, this another browser. What is that? Microsoft Edge also in the. You can also get it in the Edge also. So you open this one, SN Utils Tools for ServiceNow. Okay. Then what you can do is you can open this one and you can click on add extension here. By you will be able to see add extension. As I have already added, I am able to see remove extension here. Okay. As I have already added, I'm able to see remove extension here, and you will be able to see add extension. You have to click on add extension, and you will be able to see a pop-up. There you have to click on add, then you will be able to see remove from Chrome option. Once it is added, you can see that extension you can see here. This is that extension. Okay. Once you add the extension, go to the form. somewhere on the empty space. This is an empty space. Double click on it. Double click on it. If you double click, it will show the technical names. If you again double click, it will remove the technical names on the form. Okay, this will make developers' life easy. When we do some development, we will show the technical names on the form by double clicking on this. No, I want to see the technical names always on the form. As a developer, I want to see as and when I want. But I want to see always on the form means you just open this extension here, go to the settings tab. There you will be able to see show technical names on the page load. Check this checkbox and refresh this one. It will be keep on showing it. No need to double click. By default, it will be showing the technical names on the form. Okay, I don't want to see it. Got my point, right? Let me quickly show you how the technical names are useful and all. I'm using JavaScript executor here. G underscore form dot set section display. Okay, system information. I'm is the section visible? System information section visible? It is hidden. Let me make it as true here. Observe here. It is visible. If I make it false, it will be hidden. This is how the technical names are useful. Getting my point? Suppose if I want to hide this affected color field, U underscore affected color field is hidden. Okay. So that is how we will use technical names as a developer. So we'll be discussing in detail that what is glide form, what is this set display and all. That's a different topic. So this is how the technical names are useful for developers. Okay. Okay. Now here, guys, if you go to the form design on the top right, on the top left, okay, here you can see we have designed this form in the default view. You can see default view. We have designed this form in the default view. Now what I am doing is I am going to create a new view from here. Click on new here. The new name I am giving here as major incident view. Okay. In this view, I don't want to show system information. I don't want to show system information. I don't want to show related records. Okay. And again, I am going back to the default view. Okay. I am now creating a new view that is actually self-service view. The self-service view, I want to show it in a single column. I want to show it in a single column. I don't want to show configuration item, contact type. I don't want to show impact, urgency, priority. Only these fields I want to show. I don't want to show these related records. This resolution information and this system information. Okay. I created self-service view. I am going back to default view. Again, I am creating a new view. Password view. So which view name and all, what field should appear and all, client will tell you. What is the view name? What field should be shown on the form? What section should be shown on the form? Client will tell you. Okay. So then we have created a password view. Did we create the password view? We didn't create the password view, right? So I don't want to show, I want to show it in a single column. I don't want to show affected caller. I want to show only caller, no category, no configuration item, no contact type, no state, impact, urgency, priority, assignment group, assigned to, short description. Okay. I don't want to show any section in this. This is the password view. So I'm going back to, I didn't provide any name to this one. What is this? Section without name. We'll see about this one in the end. I'm creating a new view here. This view name I'm creating as ITL view. The ITL view, I am going to show it in a single column. Okay. So total, how many views are on this particular form? Default view, ITL view, self-service view, major incidents view, and this view also should be there. This view name. But somehow it got disappeared. We'll see it. We'll see about it. Total default view, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 views are there. So that means here there is one table. The forms can be shown in 3 views. I mean total, sorry, my bad, 5 views. Only one table, but form can be shown in different views. How exactly it will look like, I'll show you now. So I'm just creating a record here. Okay. After creating the record, remember, after creating the record, click on this hamburger menu, go to view. You can see there is default view, ITIL view, major incidents view, self-service view. The password view, as the name is not there, it is disappearing. We'll see to it. So now it is in the default view. How exactly it will look like in the ITL view? Okay. So it is actually showing in a single column. View is ITL here. Go to the view, go to the major incident. So here you cannot see related records and system information section here. Okay. And go to the view here and go to the self-service view. In the self-service view, you can see the form, something like this one. See, table is same, but the form is actually shown in different views. Okay. Okay. We have default view. We have default view. We have self-service view. We have major instance view. We have ITL view. Okay. Now, as soon as this form is opened, if a person has no role, let us say I logged in. I am trying to open this form. If I don't have any role, if I have 0 roles, then it should show in the self-service view. Getting my point? I logged in. If I have 0 roles, it should be shown in the self-service view. Okay. If I logged in, if I have ITIL permission, it should be shown in the ITIL view. Getting my point? If I logged in, if I have ITIL admin role, then it should be shown in the major incident view. So if I logged in and if I try to open the form, if I have admin role, it should be shown in the default view. Getting my point? Here, if no role found, self-service. ITIL role found, ITIL. ITIL admin role found, major incident. If admin role found, default. Getting my point? So now I have opened the form, guys. Now I have opened the incident form. If I have admin role, it should be shown in the default view. I logged in now. I have only ITL role. I don't have ITL admin role. I don't have I don't have admin role. I don't have ITL admin role. I have only ITL role. Then it should be shown in the ITL view. If I have no roles at all, self-service. So for that, we have to create view rules. Before we create view rules, again we have to understand table label, table name, field label, field name, choice label, choice name, section label, section name, view label, view name. We created views, right? These are labels. These has names in the backend. Okay. All the views you can see here, go to the views under system UI. This is created 9 minutes ago. We'll pull created field. It is showing only one. Huh? I'll tell you why. Okay. Table is ITIL, right? ITIL. So name, view label is ITIL. View name is small ITIL. Getting my point? View label is ITIL. View name is small ITIL. So ITIL is, this is label, this is view name. Similarly, we'll see for major incident. Major incident. So this one we created just now, 7 minutes ago. This is the label. Major incident is the label. You can see underscore is added in between. Similarly, we created self-service, right? So ESS is actually the view name. ESS. It is not created by Zar. It is already there. You just take it as ESS as name. This is the name. Okay. So it won't show you underscore here. IT major incident, ITIL self-service. Major incident, ITIL self-service. Default view. So we'll go to the default view. Default view, it is showing as empty. It will be default for default view. It will be default underscore view. These are the names. Okay. These are the names. So now I am going to create a view rule to show this form. I am going to create a role. I am going to create a view role to show this form. Okay. Go to the view rules here. I am creating a new view rule. Guys, to create the view rules, we need scripting knowledge. But I didn't teach you about scripting, right? Just observe, that's it. You will understand it slowly. What is our table name? Incident table name. Our table name is incident, right? Is that U underscore incident or normal incident? This one or this one? Do I have to choose this one or this one? This one you have to choose. Okay. Incident view rules. This can be any name. You can keep any name here. Okay. I'm using advanced here. So advanced means you can write a scripting here. Okay. Getting my point. Okay. Where is admin? Okay. So the person who has logged in, is he has an admin role or not? I am checking. gs dot get user gs dot has role admin. So if he doesn't have ITIL role, getting my point? So firstly, I'm writing a condition here. If he is admin, else if else is admin, is ITL admin, is not ITL admin. So this comes under else part, okay? So you have to keep answer is equal to answer. You have to keep uname here. Answer is equal to, if it is admin, I have to show the default view, right? Then I am taking the view name here. I'll keep it here. Okay. If he is an ITL user, show it in the ITL view. If he is an ITL admin, then it has to be in the major underscore incident. This is the view name. Answer is equal to yes. Okay. I'm just creating a view rule. So Uday Gadiparthi is having admin role. I mean, here Uday Gadiparthi has, here Anumand Revanth Reddy has logged in. Huh? Okay. So here, let me just impersonate it. Another impersonation. So Uday Gadiparthi has logged in. Uday Gadiparthi has admin role. Uday Gadiparthi has admin role. So as Uday Gadiparthi has admin role, he has to see it in the default view, right? Let me go and refresh the form. So it is showing in the default view. It is showing in the default view. As Uday Gadiparthi has admin role, it is showing in the default view. That is the rule that I written, right? Is admin, then show it in the default view. Is ITIL, show it in the ITL view. Is ITL admin, show it in the major incident view. Now what I am doing is I am taking one user account. This underscore user dot list. These are the users. We discussed about user administration, right? These are the users. So I am just opening Uday Bhaskar account. Uday Bhaskar is an active user. I am granting ITIL admin permission. Okay, now I am going to log in as Uday Bhaskar. Okay. So Uday Bhaskar has ITL admin role. If he tries to open the form, it should be shown in the ITL admin view. He doesn't have permission. Huh? Let me grant permission to him. I should give permission to table also. It's newly created table, right? I have to grant permission to table also. So Uday Bhaskar has ITL admin role, right? So when he tries to open the form, it should be shown in the ITL admin view. Sorry, major incident view. Getting my point? As he has ITL admin role, it is showing in the major incident view. I am going to end the impersonation. I am going to grant only ITIL role to Uday Bhaskar. Okay. Now, if I impersonate as Uday Bhaskar, okay, it is showing in the ITIL view now. Now I am going to remove. Let me end the impersonation. I am going to remove ITIL role from Uday Bhaskar. For him, he doesn't have ITIL role, he doesn't have ITIL admin role, he doesn't have admin role, right? For him, what is this? Did we impersonate? We did impersonate. We did impersonate, and why still it is showing in the default view? For him, it is showing in the default view. It should be shown in the. It should be shown in the ESS view, self-service view. Did we mention that in the view rule? We did mention, right? If it is not there, if it is none of the above, certain item major incident view. Else it should show in the ESS view. ESS view we didn't create it, but there is already view label, right? I think this is the one. 8 months ago now. I think we have to use this one, looks like. Maybe. Guess is right. So he doesn't have any role, right? Yes. You're right, Kumar. Your brain is working sharp. Okay. You're getting my point. So let me do one thing. Let me grant all roles. ITL, ITL admin, and and admin role. See, we have seen if he has admin role, he is showing, he is seeing in default view. I mean, if there is an admin role, he is showing in default view. If he has a ITL role, he is showing in, it is showing in, okay, it is showing in ITL view. If he has ITL admin role, it is showing in major incident. Now, what I want to do is, I want to grant all roles to him. Okay, admin, ITL, ITL admin. So, if he has all the roles, if he has all the roles, he should see default view. If he is an admin, he should see default view. So if he, what if he has ITL admin role? What if he has admin role? If he has ITL admin role, he should see in the major incident view. If he has only ITL role, then he should see in the ITL view. Then now let me just impersonate as that person. So he is having admin role, right? So it should be shown in default view. It is showing in the default view. Working fine. Now what I am doing is I am going to remove the admin permission. If he has ITL admin and admin role. As he has admin role, he should see in the default view. Now I am going to remove admin role from him. As he has ITL admin role, he should see in the major incident view. Okay. So here it will show as per my understanding, it will show title view. As per my understanding, it will show ITIL view. Let me just refresh this one. Now it is showing in ITIL view. He has ITL admin role, but it has to show in the major incident view, right? Why is it showing in ITIL view? That is where we have to alter the logic here. So in the script part, second we are checking ITIL. So in place of checking second ITIL, keep it here. We have to give ITIL to third place. Now the logic will work properly. Getting my point? You have to, write this logic diligently. So guys, we are checking current logged in user. Whoever is logged in, if that person has admin role or not, I am checking using this line of script. Whoever has logged in, if that person has ITL role or not, I am checking. Whoever has logged in, I am checking if that person has ITL admin role or not. Whoever has logged in, that person is not an ITL person or not, I am checking. If he is an admin, show it in the default. If he is an ITL admin, show it in the major incident. If he is a ITL person, show it in the ITL view. Now Uday Bhaskar has ITL and ITL admin, right? Now he should see in the major incident view. Let me go and refresh this one. Now it should show in the major incident view. Okay. I am going to only give ITL permission to Uday Bhaskar now. Guys, don't try to write the script. Try to understand, that's it. Because I haven't explained, but I'm just showing how the views will be shown using view rules. I am reviewing ITL admin rule. Impersonate user, IBR, and refresh this one. Now it should be shown in the ITIL view. I am going to remove ITIL role to him. You can see it is showing in self-service. So that is how view rules will work, guys. Based on the view rule only, we will show the views. If you go to the incident, actual incident form, ServiceNow provided incident table is there, right? This table that we created. Okay. Let me enter the impersonation here. If you just type incidents under self-service, you can just click on this one. Incident will be shown in the self-service view. There are a lot of incidents. That is why it is showing some time. It is taking some time to load this one. It will take some time to load. So let me just go to our incident form. Right click on the form, configure, go to form design. In the incident form, you can see how many views are there here. So in the incident form, how many views are there here? You can see lots of views here. We have major incidents view. We have self-service view. Okay. And we have, is there any ITIL view? There is no ITIL view. Okay. So we have these many views on the form. Let me just go and create the record. Once I create the record, I can show the views properly. You can see this is an incident form. This form is designed from the incident table. And in the incident form, you can see the views here. Okay, now you can see the views here. We have these many views here. If I click on major incidents view, the incident form will be shown in the major incidents view. As I am an admin, I am able to see this view option. But normally employees, they don't see this view option here. So this is actually a self-service view. Okay. This is self-service view. This is a mobile view. Okay. And we'll go to default view. This is the default view. So likewise, every table will have forms. Sorry, every table has form. The form has different views. Those views can be shown based on the view rules. In the view rule, so clearly observe here, the view name I specified in the answer. You have to specify the view name to the answer. Answer is equal to view name. 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 Okay. Getting my point? If the logged in person who is trying to open the form, if that person is an admin, show it in default view. If that person is an ITL admin, show it in major instance view. If that person is an ITL person, show it in the ITL view. If the person has any of the above roles, show it in self-service view. So guys, this script and all, to understand it in detail, I'll explain separately. Okay. From the beginning and all, what is this where and all? So what is this variable and all? What is this equal and equal to and all? What is this GS dot has role does? Okay. What is this colon does? Each and everything I'll explain. Don't try to write the script now. Try to understand the script now. Concept is clear, right? So similarly, you have views on the problem form. We have views on the change form. We have views on the user form as well. You go to the user administration, go to users. User is also a table. User is also a table in the database. If I open a Uday BR user account, this also can be shown in views. You can see go to view. Okay. So self-service view. So user record shown in the self-service view. If I click on your profile here, click on profile, the user account will be shown in the self-service view here. Getting my point? So that is how you will create the views. Views has view labels and view names. Now you understand, right? Table label, table name, field name, choice label, choice name, section label, section name, view label, view name. We as a developer, what are we using? Names, not labels. Labels are meant for employees. Okay. You are not an employee, you are a developer. Remember this point. You are not an employee here. You are a developer. Okay. You are going to sit in a king role. Getting my point? Any questions from anyone, guys? Vamsi?
Yeah, Uday. Actually, today I have some office meeting. Like I'm not focused much, but what I understood is like so we can create some custom views on a tables, right?
Yes.
So, but yeah, so but some custom views we can create, but each view we can give like individual like role based access, like based on this role, that role can access only this view.
Yes. Yes.
But one point is like what exactly that ITL and ITL admin, like what is their access privileges and roles? These things we can discuss later. Uday?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. After that, like you wrote the script, like which like help like to filter like this role has to access this
Okay.
view and this role has to access.
Let me clarify you. So there is a product. There is a product. The product name is the product name is Byju's. The product name is Udemy. Okay. The product name is Udemy.
Yep.
Your company has purchased Udemy business. Okay. Your company has purchased Udemy business. And then when your company is talking to Udemy company, I am purchasing your Udemy business. Okay. All my employees should learn. So then how many of your employees should learn from our Udemy portal? Okay. Then they will say, let us say we have 4 lakhs employees. All 4 lakhs employees should see Udemy. Then in the Udemy, there should be 4 lakhs user accounts. There should be 4 lakhs user accounts for every employee. Every employee should have user account. One employee is not able to access Udemy. Who will support? There will be a separate team. There will be a separate team created for Udemy team. In the organization, there will be a separately team created for Udemy team. What they does? All the Udemy related issues for employees in the company, they will be addressing it. Understand my point? There will be a separate team that will be dedicated to Udemy application. When an employee is not able to see the videos on the Udemy, when employee is not able to log into Udemy, first they will contact our organization Udemy team. Getting my point? Likewise, every product has a separate team who will be addressing the employees' issues. For washing machine repair, there will be a separate team who will repair the washing machines. For AC, there will be a separate team who will be repairing the ACs. There will be a separate team who will be repairing the TVs. There will be a separate team who will be repairing the carts and all. That repairing teams will have ITIL roles. Their team leads will have ITIL admin roles. Getting my point? Those we call in short as help desk team. Got my point? So now, Kondaya, you can go ahead.
Yes. Good evening, Vinay.
Yeah.
Sorry, there was some connection problem. I was in the home today.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. On Thursday, we have created one table.
Hmm.
Okay. On Friday, we have created a form from that table. From developer, what you have created table. From the table, we have created a form on Friday.
Yes.
So without scripting, we are doing those two things. Okay. The scripting is the purpose is mainly for validations or what includes in the scripting.
So majorly the script includes validations. Okay. Script is mainly for validations.
Okay, that is only the one reason we have to know the scripting, JavaScript.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That is only one question because almost we are creating one table and form also. So then what is the need of scripting? Is there any concepts that is related to scripting?
So in the scripting, we have two types of scripts. In the scripts, we have two types of scripts. We have client scripts, we have server scripts. Client scripts are only for forms. Server script is for database. You will write client scripts for forms. You will write server scripts for database.
Okay, database means in the database, from the database we'll get the tables in the concept.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That is only the one question I got.
Yeah. Any questions from anyone?
Well, in that case, this one like server side scripts, we can work on like list I can say.
List is a server side. List is a database.
Okay.
No, don't others others will get confused. You guys are able to understand. That is fine. Don't see. I'll tell you what is list, what is database, and all separately. Okay.
Okay. Still I have this confusion whether, like you said, like the repair team has ITL permission and the lead has ITL admin, right?
Yes.
So what the privileges difference will come between these two?
See, the ITL guy can work. Okay, but ITL admin can delete that.
But why I'm saying this thing is because it's
Okay.
important for all the POs to work
See,
with their
suppose
stakeholders.
you will create a incident to the Udemy team.
They are aware
Mhm.
that how much focus and
Please
we
keep
are
yourself
putting on
muted.
our
Okay. So here you will create a ticket to the Udemy team that I am not able to access to Udemy. Okay. Then what that guy does, that guy will work and then they will grant access to Udemy. Then we'll be able to log into Udemy. Suppose we are not able to access Udemy. We are not able to log into Udemy. Then what we will do? We'll contact their team, Udemy team. That I am not able to access Udemy. Kindly look into it. They will look into it. Then they'll solve it. They'll close the ticket.
Yep.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
They can only get the ticket. They can start working on it. They can close the ticket. Okay.
Yeah.
Now that is the ITL guy role. ITL admin role. What that guy can do is, that guy can delete that record itself. Whatever the ticket that you created, right? He can delete that record.
Okay.
Getting my point? So here that means ITL guy can create, can read, can update, can't delete. So
Okay.
ITL admin can create, can update, can read, can delete also. That is the only difference. If I go to the roles here, perform standard actions of ITL help desk technician. This is out of the box technician role. Can open, update, close incidents, problem changes, and configuration items. Out of the box, only users with ITL can have tasks assigned onto them. ITL admin permission possesses more privileges than the ITL role, and instead of the this is intended for team leads. This role has the ability to delete incident, problems, changes, and other related activities. Got it right? Yeah.
So means as a admin, we will get the ITL, but if we for